This short video shows you how to remove a background from a picture in Google Slides. Take for example, we want to put this wooden spoon in on our Google slide. Notice that the white background overwrites the picture. So we just want the wooden spoon to appear without the white background. So what we do is we upload the picture to a website that will remove the white background for us. So we'll upload an image and then we'll do wooden spoon, and now we'll download it. I already have one done here. We go back to Google Slides and then we'll bring up our image without the background. And there it is. We delete the other one. And there we have our wooden spoon, and we can place it over the image anywhere we like with no background. If you feel this video helped you, please subscribe to support the channel. Thank you.